Hey, thanks for tuning into my LED product review channel. I just picked up these cables today, and I thought I'd just give a quick review. Purchased them on Amazon. Let's take a look at this red cable here. These are these LED light up cables, and this is the red. So let's take a look. Plug it in. So yeah, that's pretty cool. You get to see the flow of electricity with the LED lights. Let me see what it looks like with the lights off. Pretty cool. I really like that. Man. Yeah, just 10 bucks off of Amazon. And we have a blue. Let's see what this one's like. Same packaging. Seems pretty durable. This is their blue. Oh wow, that's pretty cool. So these cables are 3 feet in length. They seem pretty durable. That's pretty wild. Never seen anything like this before. So I think this would be an awesome Christmas gift or any holiday gift, birthdays. Pretty awesome. These are compatible with Android and Apple, it says here. The ones I have the lightning cords. They have purple, blue, green, a dark blue, a light blue, and a red. $9.99 on Amazon. Yeah, man, this is pretty cool. So what I'll do is I'll leave a link below